Hi, this is John Patterson with Charter One Realty, and here we are on beautiful Callawassie Island in South Carolina. And today we're doing a virtual open house of 33 River Marsh. Come on, let's go take a look at the house. Here's the family room area. Notice the ceiling detail. We got a tray ceiling in here, nice high ceilings throughout. Wood floors. Plantation shutters, French doors that lead out to a beautiful back porch overlooking the golf course. The dining area. You've got a pass through to the kitchen here. Again, nice details, nice trim. Let's head into the kitchen. We've got another little sitting area. This also could be set up as an eat-in kitchen. Beautiful kitchen area. Granite countertops, plenty of storage. Here we're on the back porch. And something to notice here, the golf cart path is on the other side of the hole. So we're on the golf course, but it's always nice and quiet back here. Spectacular views, well landscaped. I'm gonna head back and take a look at the master. Straight away is one of the guest bedrooms. And just to the left here, we'll head into the master suite. Again, light and bright, great views out to the golf course. Access to the back porch from here. Nice big master suite. Good sized walk-in closet. Just outside the master suite is the laundry area. Let's head back into the first guest suite. All the furnishings are negotiable. Here's the guest suite bathroom. Two nice big closets in here. Great storage. Let's take a look at the third bedroom. This room's got a lot of flexibility. The current owners have it set up as a little den or a sitting area. Got a closet over here in the corner. But a great space for an office or put a bed in here and set up as a bedroom. You've got sliding doors here at the entrance. And the bathroom that services the third bedroom is just down the hall here. Again, full bath, stand-up shower. Thanks for joining us today for this virtual open house of 33 River Marsh here in Callawassie. If you have any questions about the home or the community, please place a comment or a question below, or give me a call on my cell phone at 843-368-7710, or visit our website at homesbluffton.com.